picture for myself. Tick, 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 tick. Oh, I'm very beautiful. Allah, make me beautiful. Oh, let me take a picture for my hair. Tick. Oh, tick. Oh, who's this one? Nobody's here. I want to take a picture of myself. More picture. Oh, who's this one? Me, Hamoudi. Hamoudi, open the door. Hamoudi, one more picture, please. Wait. Tick. Tick. Oh, this. Oh, wait, Hamoudi. This was in the fire. Please, push. Oh. Okay. The door is open. Come.
Assalamu alaikum, Sarah.
Wa alaikum salam, Hamoudi.
Sarah, please, I need your help.
Help? Yes. Welcome. What kind of help?
I want your laptop.
Huh?
Yes, you.
You want help in the school?
Yes, I want to finish my homework.
Okay. What homework? I can help you. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Laptop? Oh, yeah, you need my laptop. I can't teach you without my laptop. I don't have to give it to you.
Thank you. I just need your help.
Okay. Tell me what you need help, Math?
Yes. Yes. Please, your laptop. Please, please, please. I think you're really fat. Yes.
Me fat?
Yes. See your stomach. You're really fat.
Oh, my stomach fat. Oh, so you need my laptop?
Yes, and you make exercise.
Okay, I go make exercise. Wait. That's me good deed if I give you my laptop, yeah? Okay, let me make Duaa. Please, Allah, make me thin. Please, Allah, make me lose weight. Exercise. What?
Make her get
Okay, wait. You know, I give you my laptop. You see it? Look at my eye.
I'm looking.
Look at my eye.
Yes.
Okay. This laptop,
This laptop.
only this part for science, this for math, this one for games.
Games.
Have time. Don't touch this file.
Don't touch.
Okay, this is my laptop. Don't touch this file.
Okay, calm down.
Let me do my exercise to lose weight. Please, Allah, help me to lose weight, please.
Oh, yes. Wow, that is beautiful, girls. Wow. Boom, boom, ow. Oh.
What are you doing?
1 plus 2. 7.
Very good job, Shawty. Keep studying. I have to go and do more exercise.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh, yes. Oh, what inside that file? I have to figure out. What? Oh, Sarah, she looks very silly. Oh my God, my heart. Oh my God, look at that photo. Yes. Oh, she's very, very silly. Oh, yes, good idea. Oh, she leave her Facebook open. I will put all her silly photo on her Facebook. Yes! I'm so bad. Yes, Mommy.
Why were you laughing so loud?
Nothing, Mommy. I'm just studying.
I was cooking in the kitchen when I heard you laughing.
Oh, Mommy, I want to ask you something very important.
What?
7 plus 1. What?
8.
Oh, no! 11!
Pudding?
Oh, what,
Aren't
Mommy?
you supposed to learn math?
Yes, Mom.
And you borrowed Sarah's laptop to study on it?
Yes,
But why were you laughing?
because 7 plus 1 is 11.
Okay, Hanmodi, I have to leave you now and do the study math. And I have to go in the kitchen and have to do something for you.
Good time, Mommy.
I just
relax. And you know what?
Tell me, mommy, what I have to do? How I can stop my anger? I want to stop my anger. I can't.
Okay. I know you're feeling angry, but we can cool it down. You know what?
How? Tell me.
Okay, you have to do the wudu and do 2 rakats and do istighfar. And that way, your heart will be cooled down.
I will cry. I will go make wudu and make salah and make istighfar.
And Hamudi, say sorry, Sarah.
I'm going to sorry.
And you're getting a time out. Go over there and spend over there 10 minutes over there.
You guys got to spend money.
Sis, I don't feel sorry. Again.
I'm sorry.
Again.
Sorry.
I'm not taking sorry from you. I just want to make wudu and salah and istighfar. Sorry for you.
Okay.
See, mommy, I have to go. I come back to help you.
Okay.
Mommy.
Hamudi, go over there in that corner.
Okay, but 1 plus 7, what?
8!
No, 11.
Hamudi! Okay, let me go to the kitchen and make something for Sarah so she will be so happy. Yay!
Oh my god, I got my grade. It's so bad. D, D, E, C. Oh my god. My mom will be angry if she sees that. Oh yes, I have to hide it. How did we go hide it? Oh, Sarah is in her room.
What he's doing in my
Seven
room?
plus one is not that. What is it?
Let me see what he's put in my room. Let me go see. Under my pillow, nothing. Under my shoes, nothing. I know all the kids put things under the bed. Let me see what under my bed. Paper. What is paper? Let me see. Boy, the report card. D, E, C, Y. My brother, I feel bad for him. Why, my brother? Why? Oh, we need him. I have a good idea. A very good idea. I can put it in the Facebook. I can help him the way he helped me.
Sarah!
What?
Why were you laughing so loud?
Because some fly hit in my nose, so I fly. I didn't know, mommy. I'm laughing. Just
But I don't see any fly over here.
I'm sorry, mom. I can't fly.
But you were laughing so loud.
Oh, because I don't know. Because
Oh, what's in your hand, that white thing?
oh, this one.
Yeah.
This is my brother got back.
Your Hamudi's report card?
Yes, take it, mom.
Oh my goodness! Look, he got D in maths, and C plus in science, and F in social studies. Oh my goodness! That's such a poor report card. But Sarah, why were you laughing? That's so sad to see. I'm so sad to see this report card.
Mommy, I'm laughing because I want to put it in the Facebook.
What? You want to put it in the Facebook?
Yeah.
But why?
Because when I put it in Facebook, he feels shame and he feels embarrassed like the way he made me embarrassed when he put my picture in the Facebook. Mommy, I'm still angry. I can't forget.
No, Sarah, but you know what? If you put his report card in the grade book on the Facebook, everybody will know that you are Hamudi's sister, so you can be embarrassed too. Remember?
Yeah, astaghfirullah. I have to do astaghfirullah a lot. More astaghfirullah.
Yeah, and
I don't know why I think this way. I don't know. I do salah and wudu. I need to make more istighfar. Astaghfirullah. Allah, clean my heart, Ya Rabb.
but I'm so happy that you shared this thing from me. And you didn't share it on the Facebook.
No, I will not share.
Very good, Sarah. Very good.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody.
Alaikum assalam, Hamudi.
Hamudi, assalamu alaikum.
There's a bed.
And there's a piece.
Are you back from the play area?
Yes, mommy. Mommy, I want to take Sarah with me. Can I?
There's a bed.
Where do you want to go?
I want Sarah.
This Sarah is right over here.
Is it right? Talking, mommy.
Sarah? Okay, Hamudi. I think you had your exams last week and you had your grade book today, yeah?
No. The teacher told me I did perfect, so I don't need it.
Really?
Yep, I'm so smart, mommy.
Sarah, what did you find under the bed? put that white thing under the bed?
Under the bed.
Oh, Sarah, I have a lot of chocolate.
Oh, no, but I have to say the truth. Mama, your mother is a lot fat under the bed.
Hamudi, you have your report card under the bed?
Yes.
And you know what? We saw your report card.
And we put it in the Facebook.
What? You have to do this on Facebook? Oh my God! Oh my God! Mommy.
What happened, Hamudi? Are you sad about that?
I'm sorry, Mommy. You broke my heart.
Hamudi, listen. You remember what you did yesterday to Sarah?
Yes.
So how are you feeling now?
So bad.
Do you know now? Like how Sarah was feeling yesterday?
Kind of.
So you don't have to do that thing to Sarah next time, okay?
I'm sorry, Mommy. I'm sorry, Sarah.
And you know what? By sharing someone's private thing on the Facebook or any other thing, you made Allah not happy.
Yes, Mommy.
So now go and perform 2 rakat and do istighfar.
Yes, Mommy. But now what are you doing to me?
100 times you have to step 100 times like me.
Yes. 1, Astaghfirullah. 2, Istighfar.
Good job. Hamudi, you know what? Sarah didn't put it on the Facebook.
Yeah! Alhamdulillah. You happy?
Seriously, Mommy?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Because, you know,
Oh my God.
because I make salah and wudu and istighfar. I feel very good now. I don't need to do this for you anymore. Let me help you with the homework, Hamudi. I can help you.
And you know what, Hamudi? If you get good grades next time, we will all be going to the Legoland.
Yes, yes.
I want to ask you. 1 plus 7. How much?
11.
No. 8.
Let's do Surat Al-Shams. Like, because in Surat Al-Shams, it teaches us how to please our heart when we are angry. And guess what? In Surat Al-Shams, this ayah called قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ زَكَّاهَا. And inshallah, before you leave, everybody, be sure to take a card from Istaba library. It's a card, when you read it every day, if you read this card every day, you will not hurt somebody when you are angry. You will not do something